everyone, my name is Rashid. Today is the 18th of March 2023. I'll be making my weekly prediction for Tesla. And as usual, before starting this video, I would like to make a very important disclaimer. So, any information presented in this video is completely for educational purposes only, and it is highly unadvised to take a trade based purely off of the information in this video, since trades are subject to market risk and can result in hefty losses if not taken with informed caution. On this note, I would like to start the video, and as usual, we'll be going over the monthly charts and the weekly charts and the daily charts, and I'll be ending off with my final prediction for where I think Tesla is going to go this week based off of the technical analysis. So let's get into it. As you can see from the monthly charts, again, we can gain a strong preliminary resistance point, which can be taken as the high of the previous candle, the previous month, the month of February, which is at 217.65. And right now, the spot price is at 180.13. So yes, this is a very, very far-fetched resistance. However, it is a valid one since the previous candle's resistance of the high and the support of the low are very, very common indicators to take note of. And as you can see here, the market is currently above the low of the previous candle, so there's not much to be taken into consideration here, as there's already another support point which I will be talking about. But if need be, we can also take the low of the previous candle as a support point at 169.93. As you can see in the bottom, the RSI has gone up for the last 2 months and then is currently going downwards, has reversed slightly downwards, which is in tandem with the market's current price movement, so there is no divergence, and therefore the RSI is supporting the price movement. If we go to the weekly charts, now we can gain the support that I was talking about. As you can see, this point is where the market failed to touch, which I can act as a support for our prediction this week, and that level is at 163.14. So, from the weekly charts, we can gain the support, and we already have the resistance at 218.12. Although there are no candlestick patterns which are easy to spot here. I mean, this is a slightly indecisive candle, however green. It doesn't have a clear directional type of view, so therefore it can be ignored altogether. And this was a strong red candle, but yet again, not a Maribozu and not a hammer either. So this can be discounted as well. As you can see yet again from the RSI went up, went down, and now has slightly tilted upwards because of this green candle, and therefore is supporting the current possible price movement. And I will cover that at the end of the video. Finally, let's move to the daily charts. As you can see here, there are yet again no clear candlestick patterns, but what we can gain from here is the final trading range. As you can see, we have the support here at 162.66, and we identified a strong resistance point at 217.83, or the high of the previous candle. But we also have, for the past few videos, a strong trading range with its support at 187.74, which in this case can be taken as a resistance of the no trade zone. So, now that we've covered the daily, monthly, and weekly charts, and also forgot to mention about the RSI for the daily charts, because there are so many candles, as you can see, there's a very erratic movement. But yes, the RSI does confirm the price movement as it goes up because of these two green candles, slightly dips down because of this red candle, goes up again, goes down again. So therefore, there is a confirmation of the current price action. However, until there is a clear directional view, this doesn't come into play. And as I was mentioning earlier, now we have our final no trade zone, which is, if we go back to the monthly charts, the high of the previous candle and 162.35. So if we actually go back, we have the exact value at 217.65. And on this note, I would like to conclude my video for the prediction of Tesla. And whichever direction that the market breaks out and closes above or below is where my prediction is. And on this note, I would like to end the video and see you in the next week.